Hello, welcome to this tutorial on how to add multiple photos to your TikTok videos. Adding multiple photos to your TikTok video can help make your content more visually engaging and interesting. So here's how to do it in just a few easy steps. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your TikTok app and tap on the plus sign to create a new video. And then tap on the upload icon at the bottom of the screen to select the photos you want to add to your video. You can select multiple photos by tapping on the select multiple photos and then tapping on the rest of the photos you want to add. Now tap on the next icon. You can also add filters or effects to each photo by tapping on them and selecting the filter or effect you want to use. You can also choose the music you want to use for your video. You can select a song from TikTok's library or use a sound from your own device. You can also adjust the volume of the music by using the slider at the bottom of the screen. Just follow this arrow. So now tap on the next icon one more time to finalize your video. You can add a caption or hashtags to your video before posting it to your profile or sharing it with your followers. And that's it. Now you know how to add multiple photos to your TikTok videos. With this new knowledge, you can create more engaging and creative content that will keep your audience coming back for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video helps you.